In today's video, I'm sharing all new hacks to make your life easier this summer. This has been one of my favorite new items that I bought on Walmart. I'm gonna show you how to use it, and it's so affordable. And all the items in today's video are from walmart.com. They have the best summer items, and I wanna thank them for sponsoring today's video. This is a fruit and veggie tray that has a lid. You just take this part, and this is where you're gonna put all your fruit, veggies, and then in the bottom, I'm gonna add ice. Then just place this top item back on and you can add your favorite fruit and veggies. This is perfect to sit out on those hot summer days. Let's put together the best 4th of July charcuterie board. Don't spend money on trays, roll out food-safe craft paper. I started by setting out my plates so I knew exactly where I wanted to put them. Then I added in bowls. These are all from Walmart. I love these, so cute. These are gonna be perfect to put different items. Once I have those in place, then I can come back in and add in all the items that I'm gonna put out here on the paper. I like to add a little bit of height in the back, so I'm gonna use a mason jar and 2 flags. Now it's the fun part. We're gonna add in all the food. Now with this, I went for foods that were kind of red, white, and blue theme, but really you could add anything you want, just have fun with it. For your fruit dip, you can add vanilla Greek yogurt to a pretty bowl. This star one's gonna be perfect. And then to top it off, make it look festive, put a cookie cutter on the top and add some sprinkles. Pull your cookie cutter straight up and it looks amazing. Candy's also really fun to add. I wanted to add a little bit of white to all of my red and blue colors, so I used my cookie cutters to cut up little pieces of cheese and I'm gonna put them out on the board. And here's how it turned out. Here are some cooler hacks that you need to know. Let me show you the easiest way to add your 12 packs of soda to your cooler. You're gonna open up one side, place it in your cooler. Then you're gonna put your ice all around your 12 packs. And then pull up on the case. Now your soda is nice and organized and it's perfectly chilled. If you want to avoid your food getting smashed in your cooler, get any inexpensive container with a lid. Then you can put your food in there and then place it into your cooler. It's going to protect everything. This cooler has so many great features and you can buy it on walmart.com. I love the net up top for adding in additional food or ice packs. It even comes with a bottle opener that's really handy. And my favorite feature is how easy it is to transport with the wheels and the handle. Have you ever had trouble getting your tablecloth to stay on your table outside? I have a hack for you. You want to pick up a fitted sheet. I bought this on Walmart and it's perfect because it fits around your table. This is just a twin white fitted sheet. I'm gonna put some poster board down underneath my sheet since I'm gonna be painting on this table. To make it festive for the holiday, I'm gonna add on some stars. So you just need some star cookie cutters and some sponges. I'm gonna trace with my Sharpie around the sponge. Next, I'll cut out the sponge. I've created my stamps using my red and blue acrylic paint. I'm gonna take these outside and stamp them on my sheet. I felt like the table needed something, so I added a 4th of July bunting. Let it dry, and then you have the perfect base for your outdoor table. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the words of the day, which is 4th of July. This is the beverage container you need for your next outdoor party. It has 3 compartments that you can fill up with your favorite drinks. I'm gonna add in lemonade, fruit punch. In the final compartment, I'll make an ocean water. If you've never put that together before, it's Sprite, a few drops of coconut extract, and blue food coloring. Now, what are the best cups for outside? I love using mason jars. You wanna make sure you pick up some adorable straws. I'm just gonna add those to my mason jar. To keep your drink protected outside, you wanna put your drink in a mason jar, add on a cupcake liner, and then twist the mason jar lid in place, and then you can stick your straw in the middle. This is my favorite hack for chips and dip. If you have a bowl that you want to use for your party, get any glass. If it has a wide rim, that's better. Place it inside of your bowl. Next, you're going to add your dip in the middle and your chips around the outside. If you want to have the most festive lawn for the 4th of July, pick up a regular poster board, or you could use cardboard or something you have on hand. Then you're going to draw a star. Trust me, it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is not. And then I'm going to cut it out. Take this poster board out to your yard, use it as a template, and use any spray paint to spray on a star. This is an easy way to decorate for the holidays, and you probably already have all these items on hand. Let me show you an easy 5-minute dessert that you can put together for your family. I found this adorable bomb pop tray that I'm gonna be using for this hack. You're gonna need 2 things, ice cream sandwiches and your sprinkles. I'm gonna put the sprinkles out on my plate. You're gonna unwrap your ice cream sandwiches, coat in sprinkles, then place them on the tray and freeze till you're ready to serve. I will put the links in the description box to all the items I showed you in today's video on walmart.com, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.